a little bit more on access control now today, and at the time of recording, we're in the midst of a global pandemic, and people have very much steered away from the idea of touching things or having to handle things. And one of our popular products has been these infrared no-touch door release buttons for the access control system. So as the installer, fairly straightforward on how to do this. You just undo this this nut. This is transported like this because it stops it getting damaged. So that just passes through there. Your nut goes over the cables. It gets tightened into place, and effectively that's the unit as you'll see it, and you swipe your hand in front of this button. So rather than having a touch button and having everybody touch it, you're just swiping your hand in front of it. There's two dials on the back of it here, and one of them is for setting the range, so the distance. You obviously can't see my hand at the far end of the desk here. You set the distance at which you want the IR to actually pick up somebody's hand. So you know, you could have it as close as this, or you can actually have it quite far away. And the other one is a timer that tells the contact inside the switch how long to stay open or closed for. And then depending on what way you're terminating this, you have a choice of open and closed, and then you have a comma in between it, and then you have a pair for your LED. So it's typically red for locked and green for when it's open. Nice neat unit. It replaces we had an NDTR no touch door release button prior to this, but this is our replacement, because there's been quite a run on these of late. So we've replaced them with this because it's a bit more post-Brexit readily available. So good wiring instructions here, explains everything on how to connect it together, and an example there of how these are actually mounted on a standard single gang box. This is a smaller unit. Yeah, so I hope you found that useful.